Another one from Ghetto Studio Records.
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, oh where is the Beetlejuice? I don't give a fuck cause niggas know that she super loose. Man, I keep it good, nigga keep it hood. Coming in this thing, boy you know it's all good. I keep it 100 in the game, nigga it's a shame how a 19-year-old like me got a game. Man, I got the game locked up in my pocket. Niggas is talking about homie, but you better stop it. Leave a hole in your head, I leave you dead. Knock you in the streets, so might as well move ahead. Nigga coming with me, might as well stay. If you don't, man, you already know what I'ma say. Man, you's a bitch, running like a hoe. Man, if you see me, boy, you better run, ho. If you don't, I catch you right behind the back. I knock you out, leave you in the trash, leave you in the duffel bag. Yeah, you know I got the cash, yeah, I got the swag. Niggas wish you fucking yeah, boy, I got them hands. Niggas know I'm the man. When it comes to throwing hands, niggas know I leave you in the can. Boy, you know I got them hands, boy, I got it on lock. Niggas talking shit, but I got it like my own block. Yeah, I got it, yeah, packed up in the pocket. Niggas know when I do it, boy, I won't stop it. Keep on wrecking on the track, niggas talking, step on back. If these boys is talking, boy, I'ma have a heart attack. Never mind, keep it strapped. Niggas know I keep it packed. If you got a problem, let these know I'm super strapped, super packed. Niggas know I'ma fucking flow. If these niggas know, don't know, wait, I'ma go. Oh.